The time it takes for a Klover advance to reach your bank account depends on the delivery option you selected, your bank's processing schedule, and whether there are any delays with your account verification or bank connection. By the end of this video, you'll know what affects Klover deposit times, how to check the status of your advance, and what to do if your money hasn't arrived. If you're waiting for a Klover deposit, the first place to check is the advance section inside the app. After your request is approved, Klover usually displays the status of the transfer. If the advance is still being processed, the funds won't appear in your bank account until processing is complete. Next, remember that your bank also plays a role in how quickly the money arrives. Even after Klover sends the transfer, your bank may need additional time to post the deposit to your account. Processing times can vary between financial institutions, so a delay doesn't always mean there's a problem with your advance. If you recently linked a new bank account or updated your banking information, confirm that the correct account is connected in Klover. An incorrect or disconnected bank account can delay or prevent the deposit from being completed successfully. It's also worth checking whether Klover requested additional identity verification before releasing the advance. If there's a notification asking you to verify your account or provide more information, complete that step as soon as possible. Pending verification can hold up the transfer. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Klover app as well. Updates often include fixes for account syncing and payment tracking. After updating, close the app completely, reopen it, and refresh the advance status to see if there have been any changes. If your advance shows as completed but the money still hasn't reached your bank account after allowing time for bank processing, contact Klover support. Include your account email, the date you requested the advance, the amount of the advance, and screenshots showing its current status in the app. That information helps the support team determine whether the delay is related to the transfer or your linked bank account. To recap, the exact deposit time depends on your selected delivery option, Klover's processing, and your bank's posting schedule. Check the advance status, verify your bank connection, complete any requested verification, and contact support if the transfer appears complete but the funds still haven't arrived. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Klover tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and app guides.